my blog, and you know, whenever I buy something or find something, I'm going to do a video of it. So, welcome to my blog. This is on the Shady Rays. And when you buy a set of glasses, sunglasses, it doesn't matter, prescription glasses, whatever, they're going to use some of the money for buying food bank. Well, the other day, all of a sudden, my sunglasses have disappeared. I have no idea. It's the first time I've lost a pair of sunglasses. Usually I scratch them. But they've just disappeared. Anyway, so I went through the steps to get them replaced. So $9.99 for another pair, and it was a real quick evolution. Boom, boom, boom. I got my replacements, and they had a deal 45% off on another pair of glasses. They weren't the ones I wanted. Didn't have the there's your Shady Ray. Oh, sticker someplace. Yeah, it looks like a sticker to put someplace. And then thank you for being part of our community that is over 1 million strong now. I wish they had reader glasses. They got readers in the glasses. Lost, broken. All you have to do is go on your website that you ordered them from and go through the steps. Boom, boom, boom. And they may even give you a discount on another pair. Not sure what it was. I went ahead and got a hard case while I was at it, and it was only $8. So now I got. They're not in it, then they're not in it. They do come in a little satchel here. Now I got blue glasses with the readers. These are for adventure. The UV rays in these. There we go. Now let's see if they got. Yeah, they got the. I was hoping I was going to go ahead and get the, as you can, definitely good UV, and then on the inside you can just catch the square magnifying side of them. So I liked them. They were great. These are 1.5s. So my other ones I'm sure are going to turn up. I don't know where they're at, but why I like them is because I can now read. I think I want to go one strength higher though. I'd like to go with the 2 next time around. You didn't have the choice of changing your glasses. You had to get what you originally had, so that's all right. Now they gave me 40% off on another pair, and you get to choose from their group of glasses. Get back in there. Okay, so it takes care of that one. These are the other ones. These I think are the same thing, but they're not a. Why did I get blacks? No, there's a blues. These are these here. These are also blue. They're a little different. They're later. Yeah. One pair of readers and the other ones are not. These aren't readers. She's calling me for supper. But I think these are, oh, a little different, huh? Those are darker blue. These are, yeah. These are a little lighter looking into the light. These are darker. Yeah. Huh, different sport. But yeah, it's a little different, a little lighter, a little different. The lenses aren't as big either. You can see, just a different shade. So I got two. Now I got two pair. I don't know if these are on the list for replacement. If you, it might be. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Hey, email me, and I'll get you $15 off your first purchase on a set. So. Little wider, a little lighter, but I don't know why. Other than little different design for these. For adventure, yeah. And they're both the same. They are the same style and same. Yeah. The only difference is these are not readers. These are, and you can see they're different. Just a tad bit different in design because of course you've got the readers. So. That's what you get without readers, and that's what you're going to get with the readers. Alright, so there we go. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And again, send me an email, and I'll get you $15 off your first order of Shady Rays glasses.